Hello everyone, welcome to my channel the Yabaz Science Center. So today I am going to discuss MCQs on organosulfur compounds, and I hope that you all have subscribed my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification for all our upcoming videos. So let's start with this topic. Our first question is, the functional group present in thioalcohol is OH, SH, NH or SR. So the correct answer of this question is option number B, which is SH group. Second question is, the IUPAC name of CH3, CH2, CH2SH is ethane thiol, 1-propane thiol, 2-propane thiol and methane thiol. So the correct option of this question is option number B, which is 1-propane thiol. Next question. Which of the methods can use to prepare thioalcohol? When alcohol reacts with P2S5, when alcohol reacts with H2S, when thiourea reacts with alkyl bromide, or all of them? So the correct answer is D, all of them, because all these three are method for the preparation of thioalcohol. Next question is, which statement is correct? SH bond is more polar than OH, SH bond is less polar than OH, SH bond is as polar as OH, or all of them? So the correct answer of this question is option number B, which is SH bond is less polar than OH because the electronegativity of sulfur is less than oxygen. Next question. Thioalcohol reacts with acid chlorides to form thioether, thioester, ester or ether. So thioalcohol shows same reaction as alcohol. So when alcohol reacts with acid chlorides, it forms ester. So here, if thioalcohol reacts with acid chlorides, it will form thioester. Next question. The general formula of thioether is RSH, RSR, R2S or both B and C. So both B and C are correct because both are same thing. So the correct option will be option number D, both B and C. Next question. Thioether undergoes hydrolysis to form ether plus H2S, acid plus H2S, alcohol plus H2S or ester plus H2S. So the correct answer of this question is option number C, which is alcohol plus H2S. Next, the formula of mustard gas is, so the correct formula of mustard gas is option number D, which is Cl CH2 and whole twice and sulfur. So this group is attached to these two groups are attached to the sulfur. So the correct option will be option number D. Next question. The general formula of sulfonic acid is RSO2H, RSO3H, RSO4H or none of them. So the correct option will be option number B, which is RSO3H. Next, which statement is correct? Sulfonic acid is weaker acid than carboxylic acid. Sulfonic acid is stronger acid than carboxylic acid. Sulfonic acid is as acidic as carboxylic acid or none of them. So the correct option is option number B, that is sulfonic acid is stronger acid than carboxylic acid, and the reason behind this that in carboxylic acid the negative charge can disperse on 2 oxygen, whereas in sulfonic acid it can get dispersed on 3 oxygen because the number of oxygen present in sulfonic acid are 3 and in carboxylic acid they are 2. So the correct option will be option number B. Next question. Which one of them is a method of replacement of SO3H group by H? That means which of these methods lead to the formation of alkanes? So the first option is reaction with water. Next is reaction with NaOH. Third is reaction with NaCN or all of them. So the correct option will be option number D, all of them. Next question. SO3H group in aromatic sulfonic acid is orthodirecting, metadirecting, paradirecting, all of them. So the correct answer is option number B, that is meta-directing. Next question. Benzene sulfonic acid reacts with HNO3 to form orthonitrobenzene sulfonic acid, meta-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid, para-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid, or none of them. So as I told you earlier that this sulfonic acid is meta-directing, so the correct option will be option number B. Next, the IUPAC name of saccharin is para-aminobenzene sulfonamide, orthosulfobenzoic imide, meta-sulfobenzoic imide, or sulfaguanidine. So the correct option is option number B, which is orthosulfobenzoic imide. Next question. Sulfanilamide is prepared from toluene, aniline, benzene, or nitrobenzene. So the correct option of this question is option number B, which is aniline. Next, the given compound is known as chloramine T, chloramine D, dichloramine T, or dichloramine D. So the correct answer is option number A, which is chloramine T. The given structure is known as chloramine T. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.